Hello everyone. Now we'll do exercise 5.3 question number 1. Okay? List the outcomes you can see in these experiments. First part is spinning a wheel. Okay? Students, this is a wheel. Okay? And spinning a wheel means this arrow is moving on. When you spin this arrow moves. Okay, so first of all we have to find out the possible outcomes when this wheel will spin. Okay, so you can see here that possible outcomes A can come. A and A, it is repeated 2 times. However, possible outcomes, we'll count this as a 1. Okay, so A can come, B can come, C can come, D can come. Okay, so for first one, possible outcome is for A, B, C and D. Next part is tossing 2 coins together. Okay, students, whenever we toss a coin, we can have head or we can have tail. Okay, but when we toss 2 coins together, okay, when we toss 2 coins together, in first coin head can come and second also, because together we are tossing both the coins. Okay, so in first one head can come, in second one also head can come, or tail. In first one tail can come, in second coin also tail can come. Okay, then maybe in first coin head will come and in second coin tail will come. Okay, or maybe in first coin tail will come and in second coin head will come. So students, these are the possible outcomes. Okay, whenever we toss 2 coins together. Okay, then next second question is, when a die is thrown, list the outcomes of an event of getting. Okay, in second question is, when a die is thrown, list the outcomes of an event of getting first part a prime number. Okay, so students, whenever we toss a coin, the possible outcomes are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Okay, you know very well. Okay, whenever we toss a coin, these numbers can come. Okay, so possible outcomes to be a prime number. Okay, so you can see prime numbers are in here. Prime numbers are 2, 3 and 5. Okay, तो 1, 2, 3. तो possible outcomes कितने हो जाएंगे? 3. Okay, then in second, not a prime number. Again, from possible outcomes you can see numbers which are not prime number. Okay, so they are 1, 4 and 6. Okay, prime number students you know very well, जो खुद के टेबल में आते हैं या फिर 1 के टेबल में आते हैं. ठीक है, और किसी भी टेबल में वो नंबर्स नहीं आते हैं. ओके, सो अगेन 1, 2, 3, अगेन हियर इज 3 पॉसिबल आउटकम्स. ये नंबर आ सकते हैं. ओके, देन नेक्स्ट, अ नंबर ग्रेटर देन 5. ओके, सो पॉसिबल आउटकम्स क्या है? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 when we toss a coin, but greater than 5 is only one number, that is only 6. Okay, so your answer is 1. Okay, then next,